think that was around 1986. My Oluwo, the first impression that I had when I met him, I still carry it up to date. When I was learning Ifa, I used to learn maybe like 2 verses, and I asked Babalawo to chant into cassettes for me, and then I go home to learn, and then I come back to recite to Babalawo. But to my greatest surprise, the first time my Oluwo was going to chant all these verses for me, he chanted 2 verses. I repeat, 2 verses from each Ifa. Kolakwa was there on this day. He could be a testimony. Baba started around 9:30 or 10 in the evening today, and he finished chanting all these verses throughout the 256 Ifa by 4 a.m. the next day. He chanted all the two verses minimum. In fact, there was even a case where he had a kind of competition with another man from Ile-Ife. They charged themselves that they were going to chant only on a Ejiobe. My Oluwo told me that on this particular day, this man will chant 1 verse, he will chant another one. That he remembered he chanted over 200 verses from Ejiobe alone. So my Oluwo is very, very versatile, a very amiable man. I miss him so much, and I pray that if I will build a house that is made of palm front or gold, that we Babalawo know it for him in heaven. Ashe.
In that particular incident, the competition between Oluwo and the other man, how long did that competition last?
Well, it lasted for overnight. They started today and they ended the next day. The man will chant one, my Oluwo will chant one also. And these are not just verses that you concoct. These are verses that people who are knowledge in Ifa, they attest to that, yes, it is from Ejiobe. Yes, it is from Ejiobe. But I didn't know that verse. Said, yes, it's from Ejiobe too.
Now, going back to the subject matter, regarding the controversy of the ordain, I do have certain other questions regarding the subject of initiation. Can a person, after they do itefa or Ifa initiation, can they be initiated or idosu to another Orisha after the Ifa?
Oh yes. If you look at the verse of Okarameji, which I have inside my book with the introduction, Agbelegibo lórúkọ tá pè Egungun, Ejiobe lọ́tẹ̀ ìwọ Egungun nífá, ó ní kí gbogbo ayé ó ní kí wọ́n máa pèsè Egungun. Oba Oriate lórúkọ tá pè ìwọ Orunmila, Ọ̀yẹ̀kú méjì lọ́tẹ̀ ìwọ Orunmila nífá. That verse goes on and on. In that verse you will find that Ṣàngó was initiated, Ògún was initiated, Ọ̀ṣun was initiated, Ọbàtálá also was initiated into Ifa. Now, these were after they became Orisha in their own domain. They went for Ifa initiation. You understand what I'm saying? Now, if from there one becomes initiated into one Orisha, it is still possible. Today, maybe you've been practicing Orisha before, and then you decided to, have Oshun. And after Oshun, you decide to have Ifa. It is allowed. Don't let us, create confusion within each other. The issue of initiation is born on the man and his God. God, that is revealed to us through Ifa and Orunmila, made things simple. Don't let us make things complex by our own organization. All these laid down principles and rules have been made by Ifa, and it is there for people who have the knowledge to study in depth. It is because of the lack of knowledge that is making our people to suffer. I encourage them to come to Africa, to come and learn, to come and experience the rich culture that we have, such that they can also be blessed. Of course, if we come there, I know that we have also many things to learn from them. We are like brothers and sisters. Elder brother, I'm still maintaining, is the one that is in Ile-Ife, because he's the older. That is where Orunmila founded it, and it's from Nigeria and some parts of West Africa that slave trade, started, for slaves to be taken to the fields of sugarcane in Cuba, in the other parts of South America, where Ifa started up till today. It's even a laughing stock, my brother, because there was a case of a friend of mine who came in from Chicago, who sang a song one day. And, you know, as he was singing the song, I told him, do you know the song you are singing? He said he doesn't know the meaning. Do you know the lyrics? He said he doesn't know. So how did he get to know the song? He said they were taught in the Lukumi system. So I said, okay, sit down. I analyzed the song for him, when it's supposed to be rendered, the lyrics, the meaning, how it is pronounced, and the drum beats that goes along with it. He became surprised. He said, for a long, long period of time, he had no intuition of what